Hello kids, today we are going to learn letter sound S. Let's learn this sound with the help of a story. Let's start the story. It is a sunny morning and Sam is taking his dog Samson for a walk. They like to walk down to the pond. Sam looks around as they walk along. He sees a toadstool, a red and yellow caterpillar, and a blackbird on her nest. When they get to the pond, they spend some time watching the fish swim around. After a while, Samson goes off and snuffles around in the grass. He finds a stick, which he brings back to Sam. He barks at Sam, and Sam throws the stick for Samson to fetch. Samson runs around looking for the stick in the grass. Suddenly, Samson starts barking. Woof, woof, woof. Sam skips over to see what Samson has found. In front of Samson is a spotty snake. It is rearing up and is hissing loudly. Sam grabs hold of Samson and the snake slithers quickly away. Hope you have enjoyed the story. Now I will say some vocabulary words and you have to say after me. Sun. Now your turn. Snake. Spider. Good job. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.